Hey guys, Benny from 782 Motors. It's been a couple of years since we've done a proper walkthrough of the shop. So a lot's changed over the years, so it's time we flip the doors open, give you another backstage pass, and we'll show you how we're doing it now. So let's talk consignments. We have about 45 spots in this shop that we fill up every auction. We have an application form that's on our website that gives me your basic details. So it's details of the vehicle, your location, and just your contact details. That's super important for me to get from you guys. After the auction, I hit the road for a couple of weeks and I'll go all of New South Wales on the coastal side, down to Sydney and back, and southeast Queensland. So I need to know where you are in that area so I can contact you. It's easier for me to come out to you, go on the road, see a couple of hundred cars, pick out my top 40 and bring them back and put them in the shop. Now, speaking of that, we've got an enclosed transporter that follow us around so we can scoop them all up and bring them back to the shop. If you're outside of the southeast Queensland, New South Wales side, that's fine too. We can still help you out. We can still take on your cars. We just need a little bit more detail from you guys because we're doing it over the phone to begin with, and we need to make sure we're bringing the right cars in. So underneath the showroom floor here, there's a whole nother level, and that is our garage. We've got 5 qualified mechanics, and we do full ground up restorations for specific clients. Now, when the cars come in, if they're consignment for the auctions, the first thing that happens is they come in, they go on the lift and they get a mechanical report. And it also lets us go to the owners if there's some things in there that we feel like they should address and get them rectified before they go onto the floor. Now, detailing. We've got 3 fantastic detailers in-house. Our whole building's enclosed, so we don't leave anything outside. All the cars come in. Now, it's a service that we provide. Every car's different. They all need different amounts of detailing, but we can help out anybody who brings their cars in with that as well. Whether it's a light detail, if the car's already in great condition, or if it needs a 3-stage buff, engine bay details, underbody details, whatever you need, we've got you covered on that as well. It's really important to get the cars looking as best as they can before we then go into marketing, make all the effort doing photos and video shoots. The car needs to be perfect before it goes under lights. Photo shoots and video marketing. My son does all the photo shoots and the video. He's on the camera right now. We bring in about 40 new cars for every auction, and he handles all that. Once we've gone through that mechanical, through the detailing, they come on the floor. We do a McDonald's experience, man. Everything's got to be the same. So they go on the floor, they get a ton of photos, 100, 150, 250, depends on what the car is, how hand we can go on it. We do that so you can see that from wherever you are in Australia or the world. You can get the best look that you can over the car. We do a walkthrough video, very detailed. We're showing all them door apertures, all those rust prone areas, all those things that you need to see so you can make an educated decision. Now, with that said, we do all that to help you get through the preliminaries, but you're still most welcome to get your independent inspections. We encourage it. We say it every time. We write it on every ad. Send people out, get someone to look at it for you, pay someone, an inspection company, come and get your inspections done. Our job is to help you get through the basics of it, right? And from all my years of traveling and going to America, all I ever needed was somebody who could show me what I wanted to buy. So when I got there, it was what I thought it was. So that's our business model. It's what we try to make happen for you guys. So the premises, part of the deal of having your car at 782 is that you get to park your car in this joint. Now, there's about 3,000 square meters. It's my giant man cave. So aside from all the normal marketing that you would get, we also have 3 open days and show days. On our Saturday show day, we get over 3,000 people come through the door. So you're getting a crazy amount of marketing that comes with that as well. We've got a live DJ, barbershop runs, merch, coffee caravan and food carts and roller girls. And I do love putting on the show. I love that it separates us from everybody else. It's what we're here to do, but ultimately it's marketing and it profiles your car, and it's another layer that we add to your vehicle and to the marketing platform.
Hey guys, I'm Lockie McCann and I'm the sales manager here at 782 Motors. What's my job? Well, I work hard with our consigners to get all the info on all these cars, make sure we really learn them in depth, to be able to present them to our potential buyers, and make sure they have all the information they need to bid confidently from anywhere in the country on these cars. We have all the cars set up here for inspections. So we get people to come to the showroom on our open days, which are advertised on our website and on Facebook, to make sure you can go over the cars. I'm on site if you want any questions. I'm also on the phone. You ring the number, I'm the guy you're gonna get. If we don't know the answer to any of your questions, we'll find it out for you. For bidding and registration, I'm also here to help with any of those items. If you need help with signing up, we can talk you through that process, get you ready to go, make sure you have everything you need. Once the cars are auctioned, we go into negotiation phase with our high bidders on anything that didn't get its reserve. We work with them, we get all deals done on all these cars so we can get them off to their new homes, fill the place up and go again. We're very much about customer experience here. We want everyone to have a great time in this whole process, both buyers and sellers. We put care packs in all of our cars, we do everything you can, we work with you on transport to make sure that you can get these cars back to your garage looking just the way they did when they left here. So, how does the auction work? Well, they're all run live online. We use the high bid bidding platform. You can go to our website, click on the auction tab at the top of the page and go through and register to bid. On lot number 1, there's new bidder instructions. That'll show you the registration process. You can work your way through that. And once your registration is complete, you're ready to rock. From there, you can find the cars you want to bid on, go through, follow them along during the course of the auction and decide when and how much you want to bid. Hopefully by now, you've checked out the cars, you're ready, you've aimed yourself with all the information that you need, and you can find exactly where you need to go. Come the auction close, it'll go into a live mode. From there, you'll see things counting down second by second. We often have people sit around the country, they get together, they have a bit of a 782 live viewing party. We really enjoy that. And people can see all the bids come in, it's a bit of excitement, it's a really high tension time, but hopefully at the end of the night, you're the one with your name at the top of the list as the highest bidder, and you get to own one of these cars. We have a lot of people ask us why we only operate by appointment here with the gate closed. Well, this is why. We've not long ago finished an auction here and the place is pretty much wiped out. We only have a few cars left available on the website, and if you want to see one of those cars specifically, give us a call. Happy to make an appointment for you. Until then, we're out on the road, man. We're hunting around trying to find the best cars from all around the country to bring to auction for you for our next one. So bear with us. We'll set this place up again, detail everything up, kick the doors open, put on our normal show for you so you can come and check it all out. We advertise our public open days on our Facebook page and on our website. Head to Facebook, check out the events tab. You'll see when those open days are. We hope you can come in and check it all out so we can share it with you all.
So hopefully that helps paint the picture a little bit of how it works around here and some of the behind the scenes that helps us kick each auction off like we do. If you've got a car to sell, man, I want to hear from you. So click that link to the consignment form, shoot me your details through so I can make contact with you. I want to know what you've got and come out and check it out and see if we can help you with that process. Otherwise, like, share, subscribe, all that jive, man. The biggest gift that you guys can do for us is help circulate with social media. It's a huge tool for us. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all those things. Get on, like, subscribe. If you want to know about auction dates, open days, all those things, the best thing that you can do is subscribe through our website. I'm not going to pepper you with emails, but I am going to let you know when we've got those dates coming up. So there's a bit of a 7-week sort of cycle around the auction time. You'll start getting that info so you don't miss it. You'll get pinged on the night of the auction that it's closing as a reminder, things like that, man. So it's going to keep you in the loop. I do it to help you, not to hinder you. Otherwise, thanks for checking out the video, hanging in there, watching it all the way through. Hopefully we'll see you at the shop sometime and you can check it all out and experience what 782 is all about.